y'all, it's Courtney from Yellow Daisy. Welcome to our channel. So today I'm going to be participating in my favorite challenge, which is the $5 Goodwill challenge that Hillary at Old World Home is hosting. I love this challenge because I typically don't go into any thrift stores that often, so this actually gets me in there and gets me looking at things to be more creative, and I love the challenge of being creative. So I'm going to share with you what I have found at the thrift store and what I'm going to do with it. So first, when I went into the thrift store, I found this adorable little basket. And I don't know, I'm not gonna put anything in it because I just like how cute and whimsical it is by itself. So I plan on just making a little vignette on my coffee table in my living room, this one right here. And I'm gonna put this with a few other things that I will show you. So I got this and it was $1.98, but then when I got to the register, it ended up being $1.47. So I was very excited about that. So then I went home and I'm like, that was a really cool haul, but I feel like I need a little bit something else. So I was talking to my mom about what I was gonna do, and she was telling me how you can make pumpkins out of t-shirts, sweaters, any type of fabric. So I decided to go back to the thrift store and see if I can find any fabric. So I came across this fabric, and I really liked it because it just feels really, I like the texture. It's not really burlap, but it has sort of the texture of burlap, but it's a little bit softer, and I just love this color. It's like a tannish, it almost has like an orange hint to it. The camera's not really showing it very well, but it has a great color and great texture. So I thought this would be a great pumpkin. And then I came across this fabric. It looks red on here, but it's really orange. So it's an orange gingham shirt. And I thought this would be so fun to make little pumpkins out of. It's just really whimsical, and it kind of matches the vibes of this. It's just really whimsical, very fun. So anyways, I am looking forward to doing this. So I started looking online to see how you do that, and I decided that I was gonna figure out the best way to do it. So it looks like all the directions on how to do it, you have to sew, and I have my little sewing kit just in case, but I'm gonna try to hot glue everything. So got my hot glue out, it's heating up right now. But what I'm going to do is I got this from my mom's house. She just had a bunch of extra, so it's just stuffing, just stuff it in there. And then I have twine that I think I'm gonna make little squiggles once I put it all together. And then I have this rope, and I'm going to take the fabric, put the stuffing in it, and then I'm going to just wrap it like this. And then it'll have the little stick up at the top. And then I'm gonna wrap this twine this roping all the way around it. So then it closes all this, and it just leaves it with the teeny tiny little prickles on the top. And then I'm gonna take, I think I might do some of this twine so that it comes down and looks good. And also, I went to the Dollar Tree and I got this little pack of leaves. So if I think that I wanna add a little leaf to it, I will hot glue it to it. So that's what I'm gonna do with these fabrics. I'm not sure which one I'm gonna use just yet, but I think I'm gonna aim for this one first. So this fabric, you can see it was $1.99. And then this fabric was, it's not showing up, 99 cents. You can't see it, but it's 99 cents. There it goes. So I was right under the $5 with all three of these things. One of the other things that I plan on doing for my little vignette is I went and bought this little picture frame from the Dollar Tree. I liked it because it looked really pretty next to this fabric. And also, it looks really nice with this too. So it brings out those darker colors in there. But I'm going to make a little sign. I'm not sure what I want to put on it yet. I'm just gonna kind of play around with the Cricut machine that I have and just see what kind of fall little saying I'm going to put on here. So this is my other project I'm going to do for this. And I'm going to take you along with me as I am making each and every one of these things. So enjoy! I decided that the best way to do this was to cut off all the excess fabric and just keep the back panel. And then I just put the stuffing right in the middle and started to bunch all the fabric up around it until I got the form that I wanted. And once I got the form just right, I took the rope and I just kept winding it around the stem until it got all the way to the top. Once I got it all wrapped all the way to the top, I decided that I wanted to add more stuffing to it to fill it out a little bit. It had a little bit of ruching and I wanted some of that, but it had a little bit too much, so I figured adding more stuffing would fill that out a little bit, and it worked. Then I just glued up the hole that I used to fill the rest of that stuffing in, and then cut the remainder of the rope off and hot glued it down. Then I took the scissors and cut the remaining of the fabric off the top. All I did here was grab one of those Dollar Tree leaves and glued it down. And here it is. I think it turned out adorable. I got this Cricut machine for my birthday and it is the best gift that I got. I have used it so much so far. I've done stuff for my mom, I've done stuff for friends, and I just love the way that stuff turns out. You can customize anything with it. I decided that instead of making more pumpkins with the other fabric that I had, I would just use it as a background for my picture frame. All I did was cut the fabric to the size of the picture frame and then put it behind the glass. I still haven't mastered how to get the extra vinyl off, so if you have any tips or tricks on how to do that, please comment below. I love how this turned out. And yes, this time of year it is pumpkin spice everything in my house. And here's my little vignette all finished. I love the way it turned out. The pumpkin, it just looks so cute. I ended up adding a candle in there, and then all these flowers I got from the Dollar Tree. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I hope you enjoyed my $5 Goodwill challenge video. I can't wait to see what everyone comes up with. If you liked our video, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And check back for more videos soon. See you next time.